Hi guys, before you watch the first C# videos where we talk about the quote of the day server and the quote of the day client, I just wanted to go over a couple of things first of all. This is a sort of typical cloud diagram. Hopefully you can see that. Let me just bring down the exposure a little bit. Is that a bit better? There you go, it's a bit better. So here's our client server. So our client connects to the server over the internet, and then messages flow back and forth between the two of these. In C#, they actually have two classes that control this. So on the client side, we have the TCP client, strangely enough, and on the server side, we have a TCP listener. So this is the one that's listening for inbound communications. And you'll see there that it works very similar to the way that the C++ classes work, in that it goes through the socket. The socket is referring to the IP address and port on our local machine, so this is our client, and when it connects over to the internet, we also have an IP address and port. This is our listening port, and it connects to there on our socket. And quite a lot of this is handled behind the scenes. So when we connect to our server, all of this is handled with us. We don't need to worry about sockets. We don't need to do anything of this. And also, if you're watching this and you don't understand what I'm talking about sockets, then check out there's a card up there that takes you to the sort of network programming. So this is a kind of C++ version of it. In reality, though, I have this arrow that's pointing down here to the socket, but actually there's a bit that goes in between the client and the listener. So depending on which side you're on, it doesn't really matter which side it is you're on just now, it goes between the two. And it is, I'll use a red pen for this one, it's called the stream. I won't use my red pen because my red pen is broken. Oops. Oh dear. And I'll use my blue pen for this, and it's called the stream. So this is us building up our our layers here. It says stream for all of you here. So really, the stream is what controls the flow of information in all of this. So our client will get the stream from our client is our game code. So this is our game. So this is our game, and this is our game server. I can't write these things out here. Server. There we go. So this is our game over here, this is our server. So anytime we want to talk across the network, what we're actually doing is this block diagram down here, is we're connecting through our stream. So we're connecting through the stream, which in turn goes through the socket, out through a port, into a port, out through the socket, up through the stream, and then into the listener. And that's the sort of flow of information that goes between the two, between the server and the client. Okay, so hopefully that kind of explains what we're going for here, but just in case, well, the reason why I put this video is because I don't think I explain it at all in the previous video. So, okay, so with that, you can now go and watch the other two videos. The first one is the creating a client, a C# client that connects to the quote server, and the second video is actually making a quote server inside C#. And there's also a little kind of gotcha bit at the end there that you need to watch after the outro. So there's a little secret thing there. So if you haven't watched that video or you have watched that video and you never watched the end, then yeah, there's a little bit of a secret thing there for you. So all right, so I'll catch you guys later. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.